If you're looking for a free trip to Israel, go on Birthright. But I promise you when you get back, it won't matter that it was a free trip, because the experience you will have is priceless. Stay tuned.
In the land roamed by my father's finally home. Eretz Yisrael, milk and honey for the soul. 3,000 in the making, one love, one heart, the mystery is breaking. One love, one life, let's get together and feel alright. One place, one home, you wanna make it where you're going, you gotta know where you're from.
I was told, united we stand, divided we fall. I guess that's how we really stayed alive through it all. We made it through the struggle, through the blood and the tears, getting stronger with the time, stronger with the years. I found out, Taglit, that's your birthright. Right of birth to see the place to make us unite, to see where it started, to connect and to feel. Soul search, find our roots and to know that it's real. As it all comes together like the words of a song. 6 years in the making, 100,000 strong. Blessed with the help of more fortunate few. For this gift that we got, we are thankful to you. We all live in different places with different faces, but there's only one home and you could never replace it. More than a state, it's a state of mind. It gives ears to the deaf, eyes to the blind.
One love, one life, let's get together and feel alright. One place, one home, you wanna make it where you're going, you gotta know where you're from.
אין כמו לראות בעיניים ולהאמין, אין כמו להיות במקום כדי להבין. זה חלום של כל כך הרבה שרק רוצים לחזור למקור ולשורשים. זה לגלות ולחזק גם את הזהות, לגלות שפה זה בית, שמה זה גלות. לגלות את הנפש והיהדות, בחיפוש העצמי זוהי המהות. זאת תגלית, 100,000 ב6 שנים, תמיכה של משקיעים ואלפי תורמים. מתוכם רבים שווים רבים עולים, אלינו מצטרפים, חלום הם מגשימים. מי שלא חווה את זה גם כן לא ידע. מאז אם תרצו אין זו אגדה. היום זה לא חלום ולא אשליה, לשנה הבאה ירושלים הבנויה. And as we go down this path of life, you gotta remember one thing. If you wanna make it where you're going, you gotta know where you came from. And with that knowledge, you gotta keep that faith, keep that hope, because that'll give you the power to move